Hey, let's get started with personal information registration. For the first step, you would have to verify your identity. You will see a screen titled Verify Your Information. Select one of the following options based on what applies to you. The given options are Social Security number, Individual Taxpayer Identification number, Employee Identification number. Enter the selected number in the field provided in the area. Enter the same number in the confirm field to avoid errors. Review the consent statement and verify the identity or continue as prompted. The second step would be entering your personal information. You will be taken to a personal information page where you have to fill your legal first name, your middle initials, and your legal last name. Enter your date of birth and click on Save and Next to continue. You will be then redirected to the third step, which is your contact information. Confirm your email address, which is usually pre-filled and not editable. You have to enter and verify your phone number. You have to enter your street address, apartment, suit, and other details. If applicable, enter your city, your state, the zip code, and click on Save and Next to proceed.